dust is blown away. The election votes are counted off, and the sun will stay. We saw the danger, but chasing the good, sending the undemocrats back to their hood. The power of the people was a silent force, keeping the country on its democratic course. We saw the number of supporters for good rise. This proves that love will be the ultimate prize. We protected the line where shadows want to destroy. Save democracy and humanity for our safety and joy. The tide has turned, the wind has changed. The people are loud, no longer silent and restrained. We have won the game of hate and pain. Fight for diversity and human rights again. Waving the guns with freedom and pride. With the power of justice on our side. We shouted brave, we shouted proud. No more silence, we are loud. From everywhere and to all the town, the walls of silence and hate was teared down. The democratic spirit floods the republic again. Let freedom and peace raise and gain. It's the beat of our colorful world. Freedom of fire with a thousand flames. The move for kindness by vote for good. The seeds of justice finally grown wood. The game was hard, played for the souls. One society will now be reunited. We did not hesitate, we stayed on path of honesty. Now we stand for a better future and reality. We have won the game of hate and pain. Fight for diversity and human rights again. Waving the colors of freedom and pride. With the power of justice on our side. We shouted brave, we shouted proud. No more silence, we are loud. We have won the game, destroyed all hate and pain. Diversity and colors bloom again. Democracy will be our treasure.